Hey guys, so we are going to do a little more diving into how to create a Shop the Look pin from the ShopStyle Collective platform. So let's hop on over here. And so what is a Shop the Look? So if you are in your ShopStyle Collective dashboard, you can click over here on looks. And if you've created any, they'll show up right here. And so basically what it is an image. And I'm going to click over here. So you can direct people to your actual page in ShopStyle Collective that has all of your collections. Like you'll be able to see all of these because this actually has a web address here and you can direct people to it. Or you can share them individually, like, the sharing buttons are right here, or you can create a text link to it, such as in a blog post or whatever. So basically what it is, so there's the image, and then there are things in this image, such as the mirror, the different components that make up this. And most people use this specifically for clothing, for like fashion. And so they'll have a girl with a nice outfit and all the accessories, the jewelry, the handbag, the shoes, everything. And then here in this page will be a link to purchase, or where they can buy either the exact item or a similar item for that look. And one of the ways that fashion bloggers do this, and even just regular bloggers who want to add a little bit of extra stuff, like for their Pinterest affiliate marketing, is to do the like budget version. So you find like an image of high-end, an outfit, and then you do the budget comparables to it. So you have, like in the image would be, I don't know, Armani or Gucci or whatever, especially like handbags and things that are really expensive. But then each of these links would be to a budget version of that, to like another store, say Walmart or Target or something. And I have a few of those in my Shop the Look section. So we're going to do today, I know with the whole Etsy ordeal, everyone's been struggling with where do I find some of the really cool home decor things, because I know, at least for me, that's where I was getting a lot of my home decor, was from Etsy. So Wayfair is actually a really great store. I actually got denied or declined when I applied to their specific affiliate program, but they are a merchant on the ShopStyle Collective program. So actually, I think that makes out better for me than if I was an actual affiliate. So the great thing about Wayfair is if you click over here, I mean, you can do by departments to find specific items, but if you go into the room ideas, they have the rooms already created with, really pretty pictures that, as long as you are linking to products from Wayfair, it is completely okay to use these images. So you can filter it by room, if you want to do kids' room or outdoor or whatever, or by style. So I know everyone's kind of on the rustic train right now, so we'll click over here. And so it's going to be varying types of rooms. So it might be kitchen, dining room, living room, bedroom, even some outdoor spaces. And so here in the Wayfair page, if you actually hover over, it gives you these little tags to show you what things in here that it links to in Wayfair. You can't actually convert those little tags into your pin. So here's how you create pins that are for a Shop the Look. So I have actually already saved one. Let me see if I can find it here. Every time I come in here, the stuff loads in a different order. So oh, here it is. Okay, so I want to use this image. And so obviously I can't right click on it because the little tags come up, but I'll use my snipping tool. And I'm going to simply cut out this image and save it to my desktop. So I've already saved it, so I'm not going to save it again. And then we're going to come over here to Canva, and I am going to go with Find Templates. And I'm just, for this one, I'm going to do a standard Pinterest size. So I'm going to type in here Pinterest, and these little things will come up that are already kind of formatted in different ways. So this is great for those of you who, are like, I don't even know how to put it together to make it look pretty. You can just totally replace your image in this and change the words. So the pin I already made practicing for this tutorial was actually this one. And so I'm going to click on it here, use this template. And I'm going to go through this part really fast because I really want to get to the part of linking the products. So we'll come over here, and there's the image. So you're simply just going to drag it in. Now you notice it's a little, not blurry, but faded. So you can actually click over here on the filter and put it to the normal. And you can adjust your contrasting and all that here to make it look how you want. And here, I'm just going to rustic decor. Oops. And anything in here is editable. And so I'm going to take that thing off, maybe add some color to it, because color is always good. And I want this one twice. Okay, so this, I've already made this pin. I just kind of want to give you an idea of, you know, how to play around with these templates. So let's see, this is going to be my pin. I'm going to download it to my computer and go from there. Okay, so now let's hop back over here to the ShopStyle Collective. So we are going to create a look. I'm going to upload the image that I just created. And it is, let me just save it here. There it is. So there's my image that is a Pinterest image, not just, you know, the one I showed you before of the pink and everything, that was just a square. But for Pinterest, obviously we want them longer. And so now we need to build the look. So we all know that it's kind of a pain to search in here for products, but if you come over here, well first, sorry, I'm going to type in Wayfair. And so let's click on this here, the image itself. And so it's going to give you the things that it already has in the image, all of these down here. And so what I'll do, I might not do this everything exactly. I might do different versions so someone who's looking for rustic can have more options than only what's on this picture. So let's do a nice clock. So if you hover over the picture, it's going to give you the wording. Belvedere oversized wood wall clock. So over here, and you may have to play around with the words a little bit. Oh, there it goes. So simply add. So now we're going to do another one. These are pretty. So woven truck ship. So if you click on it, it'll actually come up. And when it's really long like this, I'll just copy it. Oops. And put it in here to see if it'll come up. Yeah, bam. All right. And so now I'll go back to this one. I really like this little thing here. So decorative crow. That looks like a rooster. Let's see if they have another one down here. Crow weatherbane. There we go. So we'll just go rustic and see what all comes up. So from here, I actually like this antler table. So this wreath, that's the other thing. Any of the tags that are on here, if you just click on the tag, it'll open it up. So this one is actually for the table. Travis console table. So let's do that one. We'll add that. And this one comes in different colors. They're just showing the white one. I already have a clock. Reclaimed wood. So you can add a few of these. And again, it doesn't have to be the exact item. It's just something that goes with that look. And so you could come through here and find a few other things in this reclaimed wood that would kind of go with the rustic look for a room. And so now, let's see, go back over here. Close that one. Serving tray. All right, so what I'm going to do now is just type in the word rustic and then just pick out some stuff that would go with a rustic look for a room. Let me add that. The whole idea is to give them the opportunity to shop a variety of different rustic decor items. I just like this clock here. And you could put as many on here as you want. It doesn't really matter. Oh, mason jars are always a hit. Okay, so that's enough for the purpose of this training. Okay, so next you'll just click on next. You can say what, write a caption on it. Shop various rustic and farmhouse decor all in one place. Here you'll do your hashtags. Rustic hashtag. And then I always add a ShopStyle one. Add to collections. So I don't have a collection yet for home decor, so we won't add it to a collection yet. And you can also arrange these if you wanted to in a certain order. And so now it'll go to this page. And so from here, you can share it right away to your social media or to Pinterest. So I am going to share it to my home decor board. Pin it now. Done. And so when you come over here to my Pinterest, there it is. I did this one earlier today. I made it a little bit longer. But as you can see, when I click on it, it's already got all my hashtags on there. And it's going to take them to a page that they can shop that look. And so it's super, super easy. And you can do this with fashion. You can do this with, storage solutions for the kitchen. You could do it with, specifically kids items, accessories, really whatever it is that you're wanting to provide multiple ideas for them to shop a certain look. And so I just use Wayfair because they have really great decor images to use. So I had seen this question a few times, where can I get the images? So here's the thing. As long as I'm connecting to products from Wayfair, I can use the image from Wayfair. So using this image, as long as I'm not connecting it to, say, a product from Walmart or something like that. And that's why when I do the search here and I put in Wayfair first, to make sure it's an item from the Wayfair website. So if you're on, say, I don't know, JCPenney's or clothing website, as long as everything you're linking, so if you're linking the shoes, the jewelry, everything, as long as all of it is coming from that store, you can totally use that image. What you can't do is pull an image, say, from here, say, from Wayfair, and then link that image to comparable products from Target. That you cannot do. But one of the things people do, and you'll see a lot of these on Pinterest, not necessarily a shop the look, but one of my girlfriends, she actually has her own boutique. And so she will model the clothes that she sells in her boutique, along with other things, obviously, that she doesn't sell. So she's got the shoes, the jewelry, handbag, whatever. And so she posts those to Instagram to show her latest products as far as the clothing. But we've done a few shop the look of those. So when you are using your own image with an item and, you know, all the other things in it, you can use that image and connect it to anything. So she will connect the outfit to her actual store, but the shoes, the jewelry, she'll link that to a comparable, not even the store she bought it from, but a comparable item to another store that's part of ShopStyle Collective. So as long as it's a picture that you've taken, you can connect it to any store or combination of stores. But if you actually take it from a merchant's website, you can only link it to products from that merchant. Do not go onto Google and search for cool images and start linking them, because those images actually do belong to someone else. And if they see, you know, that you're using it, you could get in a lot of trouble for that. So the other thing from here, you can share it straight to Twitter. You can post it on Facebook. If you have a collection, add it here. And then you can look here. And of course, this is the page that they would be taken to. So you can just look and see what it looks like. So that is it. I hope this was helpful. Please leave some comments below or some comments on our tribe page, and let's see some of your pins so, you know, we can share inspiration and help each other out. All right, talk to you guys soon.